setup here. On the road again.
We had a great week.
It was very relaxing.
Just outside Death Valley. And it was a really neat area that we boondocked at.
I think that's definitely in the top 10 chillaxing places.
Oh yeah, easily. Yeah, weather was great. We had Death Valley just, 18 miles down the road.
Literally down.
Yeah, literally down. We were at 3,000 feet elevation.
So it's what, about 10 to 15 degrees cooler depending on the day. So it made really, really nice dry camping weather.
Yeah, it was great.
So now that we're all relaxed and our batteries recharged, what's next?
What's next? We are
What's next?
Staying with the California theme. We're going to Palm Springs.
I like Palm Springs.
Yeah, I do too. That's one of our favorite places, I think, and very unexpected.
Yeah.
But we'll be there for
Turn right.
it's about 9 days, and that'll be a lot of fun. Get caught up from our boondocking.
3 weeks.
3 weeks of boondocking. Yeah.
Yeah. So, and Quartzsite was super dusty, so we're gonna have to do a lot of cleaning and dusting. I did some this morning, but it also looks like we're getting ready to hit a dust storm ourselves, and you can't see the mountains over there.
No.
I just realized that there are no mountains. But there's a storm brewing ahead. Can't see there's a big mountain up ahead, but I'm sure it's there somewhere, unless it blew away. You can kind of see it over to the north a little bit.
Maybe it got covered up with all the dust.
Maybe. Whew. So we're turning right and headed right for all that dust. See the dust in the haze line right there. It's pretty wild. You did put the solar panels down, right?
I think I did.
And latch them?
I think I did. Yes.
Okay, good job.
Did you close the roof vents?
Yes. Pretty sure I did.
I hope so.
San Bernardino Valley County, and coming down the mountain, it's 7 miles at about a 5% grade, and looks like we're getting ready to hit bottom. We went from 2,000 feet and we'll probably end up at about 500, but it's getting pretty windy. And wow. Well, now we know that we're going to get broadsided on the passenger side. So are you feeling it?
Oh, I'm feeling it, baby. Yes, I'm feeling the wind a little bit.
Uh-oh. All right, you may want to slow down now. Woo! Yikes! Wow.
Now that was lack of visibility.
Yes. It's like just this pocket right here.
Yeah.
See the trees blowing, flag blowing. That's supposedly getting onto Interstate 15, but traffic's going pretty slow right now. take me a week to comb this out. Oh my gosh. Oh, I've got so much grit in my teeth. Oh.
It is blowing, and it's probably what, 30?
Oh, more
40
than
mile an hour winds?
It's gotta be.
It's unbelievable. It is rocking.
It's literally rocking the truck. If there's any way you can see it.
It's hard to get an appreciation for the dust that's sort of blowing around, but
yeah,
it's amazing.
Wow. Incredible. So I can get any candy? Normally I don't do this, but this caught me for a loop. Do I dare look? That is just too funny. Well, it's a little windy again this morning. We had a really nice day here at Peggy Sue's 50 Diner. And look, there's mountains. We did not see those yesterday with all the dust. It is windy, but no dust. And it's very cold outside and brisk. Okay, Mickey and Minnie, are you guys ready for Palm Springs, California? Woo! That is such a cool little place, and it's amazing how big it is inside. I guess once we get in, you're committed. There's no turning back.
No turning back. They want your business.
Yes. Well, there's about a 50% chance of rain later on, but we are so dirty. It's been, well, it doesn't matter how long it's been. We've just been in the dust, and that dust storm that we had in Death Valley, it was almost like it was a salt dust or something, and there was just this white specks all over the rig. Oh, look, it's just like getting a little mani-pedi. They have a little card that you pick from of what kind of service you want. So this bus just pulled in. I don't know where they've been, but that could not have been a fun trip. It's time to get clean. Yay! Woo! And we don't have to do it. That's even better.
So we are almost done getting the rig, Voyager and Orion washed. And I will say that this is bar none, this is a Blue Beacon, but bar none, this is probably the best service we have ever had anywhere. And this rivals some hotels.
Yes.
We were escorted to the office to pay. Joseph introduced himself, said if there's any questions, any issues, contact him. He's going around and inspecting everything now and making sure that it is to his satisfaction. It's been fantastic.
And the lady in the office?
Lady in the office was very personable and was very efficient. Made everything right. They asked about the smart car, and it was a really good experience. The guys are doing a great job.
Yeah, and they're going back over and touching stuff up too.
Yep, they're going through and inspecting. They've got an actual flashlight. It's like CSI. They got a flashlight, and they're going through and they're checking things, and Joseph's pointing them out, and these guys are going back and scrubbing it and hitting it with the hose again.
Can't wait to see how the rig looks.
Out in the sun.
Might be one of the best baths it's had.
Really. Be nice to get the dust off.
Yes. And hopefully it won't rain.
Hopefully.
That's not dust, but I'm sure hoping that is not snow in those mountains. So we're seeing some weather activity up ahead. GPS is saying we need to turn left in about 3.5 miles, so we're really hoping we're not having to go up and over that. We're getting close to Palm Springs, and they had this huge wind farm here. And today's a good day to be harvesting some wind.
People say I'm blind and fool, but I still have hope. I want a taste of a love, and I want to be with you. I know I still couldn't find you, but I'm sure I will. Every time I wonder who will be the one.
Unfortunately, we can't fit Voyager in our campsite, so we're parking it in the overflow area.
Find you if I have to cross the oceans or rivers. Some people say I'm blind and fool, but I still have hope. Some people say I'm blind and fool, but I still have hope.
So this is what happens when you don't go shopping for, what, 3 or 4 weeks?
Yes.
Now the trick is, will David be able to get all this in the smart card? It's time to watch the master at work. The Sandra Walmart Shopping Challenge. Dun dun dun.
Shopping is easy. It's the packing that is difficult.
Okay, but what makes it super easy is we have these really nice shopping bags.
I think so.
Oh, piece of cake. Man, I could have gotten more stuff.
You could have.
Well, fine. Okay, let's go home. We're on phase 3 or 4 of the soda fountain replacement. So David bought this adapter that will refill the canisters. I'm gonna go step back here. It could still explode.
Expendable?
No. It's for our soda machine.
I know there's stuff in there. Just hold it. It's gonna blow up.
So now David's got the big 10-pound tank out.
My boys,
whole 1 pound bag of red flame raisins.
Hey David, aren't we parked down there?
I think we are down there somewhere.
Okay, well let's not go down there right away. Ugh.
Farmer's market on a Sunday morning.
So David loves apples. Getting a sample of a new one that he's never tried before.
It's more stuff.
Yeah, we're gonna be eating good. This is a campground.
This is a campground.
Whew. We made it. Not as cheap as Mexico, but I'm hoping it's going to be as good.
We got to go underground, which means
Start digging.
This is a that was just the camera, not us.
It's a little windy outside.
So how are your nuts?
They're crunchy.
Oh, we just crossed over into San Bernardino.
San